Yeah, maybe.
These are already installed and they saved the last one for us.
Ding. Fries are done. Good, lined up.
Looks good.
Look straight your end down there.
Good this way.
The camera rolling to give you idea actually in real time how much it takes to drill one hole for these anchors. Wow, this is amazing, guys.
All there is to it. Now we gotta clean the hole.
And how we will clean it? Do you have a vacuum or what do you use for that?
Use air hose.
Oh, God, you know, that would have been the smart thing to do.
You know what I found out the other day?
Why did you show up so fucking late? I got 2 vacuum cleaners there. We've been blowing it out with air and getting dust everywhere.
I see, okay.
My vacuum cleaner says not to use it to pick up any fine dust like this.
Oh,
So I can't use it.
that's why I got a filter in mine.
Watch
Yeah,
your
that's
eyes.
kinda,
Wow, okay. Nice. And that definitely makes it clean. Wow, nice.
All right.
in the hole.
In the hole.
I think we can go up.
There we are.
Wow.
That's the sound we want. Let's hit the bottom. There we go.
I've never hit bottom before.
So the anchor is all the way and now it will be time to torque it?
Yeah.
Nice.
I don't know where that is.
Thank you, gentlemen, for sharing this. This is wonderful. Thank you so much. And now we are using this snap-on half-drive torque wrench, and the manual set torque, the anchors, the bolt needs to be torqued to the 100 foot-pounds.
Come on.
So George did the first one just seconds ago. You saw that.
Okay.
Of course, they need to spread down there, right? That's the whole thing. We are waiting. Oh yeah. Was it that click? Not yet.
Something clicked, but it wasn't the torque wrench. I think it was me.
Obviously, 100 foot-pounds. It's a lot of torque.
Jesus.
Close.
Oh, maybe he.
There.
Oh, here we heard it. I thought he already broke the
I thought
torque wrench, but
I broke me.
yeah, it's working and that's it. Yeah, it's a lot of torque. Definitely.
Now you're all torqued.